These homeowners lived in their early 70s four-level split for about 11 years, and this almost 50-year-old home began to show its age. This is when they turned to Pinnacle for a design consultation, which then blossomed into a main floor and upper-level renovation. The current home was very dated, compartmentalized, and lacked the more modern look and feel that this professional couple was attracted to. The kitchen was very small and dated, and the idea is to move the kitchen in the other room, which is currently the family room where the fireplace was. The problem, of course, is the fireplace, but we'll get to that after. So moving upstairs, the original home builder managed to fit 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms into this small upper floor. Backing into the master suite, you can see the walk-up closet, which the couple really wanted to get rid of. And you can also see the very tiny ensuite bathroom, which didn't work for the couple at all. So the design concept was to take advantage of the second bedroom and remove some walls to use it for the walk-in closet as well as the main bath. After the designs were signed off and the selections made, the fun began. The entire main floor was gutted, including strategically working around the current fireplace, allowing the kitchen to be relocated so a dedicated mudroom directly adjacent to this was now perfectly positioned. We removed the walk-up closet and opened up the wall into the bathroom area, almost gutting the entire upper floor. You can see where the new walk-in closet is going to go. If you look down the hall, you can see that we've taken out almost all of the framing. We took out all of the walls upstairs and downstairs. New framing was put in to make way for all of the new features that the homeowner was wanting. As you can see here in the kitchen walls were removed and spray foam was put in the exterior wall. Looking into the new framing where the new walk-in closet is going to be on the left and where the new shower is going to be on the right, you can see from framing to drywall that this home was going to start out spectacularly. With the addition of feathered hardwood floors, cabinetry, and then the newly finished hardwood floors, we were well on our way to creating a beautiful home for this couple. Why don't we have a look? The kitchen now has an array of features, including a gorgeous first impression with the range wall having blue steel counter-to-ceiling tile, chimney-style hood fan, floating shelves, and both book-matched and waterfall cherry flat panel cabinetry in the true mid-century modern style. The relocated kitchen gave room for a wonderful, bright, and roomy mudroom, complete with custom locker and bench cabinetry, beautifully illuminated by the skylight and large window. The The key freedom the homeowners allowed the design team was to convert 3 bedrooms to 2. This opportunity truly transformed the upper floor space, allowing a full 3-piece main bath expansive ensuite, as well as a wonderfully spacious walk-through walk-in closet. The ensuite and walk-in closet are a welcome sight in the morning with skylight and unique variety of wall-frosted window, bathing the space in natural light, and a relaxing sanctuary to return each evening. The ensuite space was completely transformed from a cramped single sink to a delightful sanctuary complete with spacious dual sink, floating vanity, and again, meshed with the mid-century modern style, along with a graciously sized shower. The 10 mil glass enclosure, complete with ensemble, is the walk-through format walk-in closet, now perfectly sized for this homeowner. The main bath comes complete with custom full width and height U-shaped drawers for a more sophisticated modern aesthetic, with matte black plumbing fixtures that sets off the space like a sprinkling of jewelry. The bath is finished off with hexagon tile lay on the floor by Ames and brick lay in the tub surround. A beautiful wallpaper accents the entire space. The final result of this home renovation showcase is a fresh, mid-century modern design, creating a home that this couple can enjoy for the rest of their lives.